Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. Today's video is all about to make you understand the importance of NCERT books from NEET exam point of view. Those who want to become doctor and want to clear NEET exam and other medical exam and their target is NEET 2020 or next year, that is NEET 2021, that is 2021. This video is very helpful for them, so watch this video till the end. NEET questions are framed as such from NCERT books, and I will give you proof of that by showing some previous year questions of NEET exam. So let's get started. This is the first question. This is the first question that came from chapter number 18, Body Fluids and Circulation, topic Plasma, page number 279, and class 11th. And I had already covered this chapter, that is blood circulation, blood fluids and circulation, in my previous videos, so you can check that videos for more information. As I told you that NEET questions are framed as it is from NCERT books. So this question is match of the following types. Here fibrinogen, globulin and albumin. Here are the functions. So we have to match them. So first of all, we will see in this that fibrinogens are needed for clotting or coagulation. So fibrinogen is needed for blood clotting. Second, globulins are involved in defense mechanism. Globulin are made for defense mechanism, and albumins help in osmotic balance. Albumin helps in osmotic balance. So the answer is A with second, B with third and C with first. Answer number fourth. Answer number fourth. As I told you that, and I had showed you also this, that NEET questions are framed as it is from the NCERT books. These are the screenshots from NCERT book. Here line to line functions are given: fibrinogen, globulin, albumin, blood clotting, defense mechanism, osmotic balance. Now the next one. This question came from chapter number 3, that is human reproduction, topic pregnancy and embryo development. And this question is about placental hormones. So, hormones secreted by the placenta to maintain pregnancy are, as you can see in this screenshot also, placenta also act as endocrine tissue and produces several hormones like HCG, HPL, estrogen, progesterone. And the answer is this: HCG, HPL, progesterone, estrogen. Now the next one. This question is also came from chapter number 3, that is human reproduction. Topic is menstrual cycle. Page number 149. So here we have to match that proliferative phase, secretory phase and menstrual phase. So here follicular phase is also known as proliferative phase. So A with second. Second, luteal phase is also known as secretory phase. B with third. And menstruation is breakdown of endometrial lining. So A with second, B with third and C with first. Answer number first. So this question is also framed as it is from the NCERT book. Now the next one. This question came from chapter number 8, Human Health and Disease. And this disease is elephantiasis. So the question is, in which disease mosquito transmitted pathogen causing chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessel, that is chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessel, that is also mentioned in the NCERT book, that is developing chronic inflammation of the organs in which they live for many years, and that is Wuchereria, and the disease is elephantiasis or filariasis. So the answer is answer number 3. Now the next one. This question came from chapter number 11, that is biotechnology, principles and process. Topic is PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction, and page number 202. So we have to give the correct order of steps in polymerase reaction. So here is in this diagram given, that is first number denaturation, second annealing, third extension. First denaturation, second extension, no, second annealing, third extension. Answer number 4th. As I told you many times in my previous videos that each and every line of NCERT book is very important. Diagrams are very important. So don't ignore this. In this video, I show you the question with the screenshot of NCERT book, that these questions are framed as it is from your NCERT books. So you can get an idea from this. So have focus on the NCERT book, and I will solve this question in my NEET question practice series one by one with explanation. As 90 questions come from biology section, so it is very important for you to have concentration on this subject and NCERT books so that you can score good marks and can clear your NEET exam. So all the very best for your preparation. If you think this video is very beneficial for you, then please like and share it with your friends so that they can also take advantage of this. For more information, videos, updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.